What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is ASAS Pixel Studio. It's another retouching tutorial in Photoshop. So today we'll be talking about color grading, and we'll focus more on how to get the natural color grade. What that means is how to color grade your images and still make it look natural. So let's dive right into it. We all know that color grading is the last part or the final stage of your retouching step. So this is what I usually do when I want to color grade and still get the natural feel. First of all, let's observe the image. Before we do any color grading, we still need to do some color correction. We've done a lot of editing from here. We did some frequency separation and we are here, so we need to color grade the image and make it look awesome. So first thing, let's notice we have some yellow colors all around and we'd like to fix that. But before that, let's go ahead and fix one important thing. Take a look at the top part of our head. It has a little bit of magenta and purple. So create a star invisible layer, and then we're going to go to filter, color, camera raw filter, and we're going to use the color mixer in the camera raw filter. So here we are in camera raw filter, and we're going to go to the color mixer. Now the color mixer have the magenta, purple, blues for the saturation and hue, and that is where we're going to be focusing on. So now, because I want to remove this purple, which you can see the purple or the magenta, we're going to go ahead and go to the hue. First of all, let's take the magenta up, and it's going to take another color shape, and we can take this one backwards so it makes it look bluish like the top part. And then we're going to go to the saturation, and I'm going to desaturate that and make it look like the skin just a little bit, and desaturate the purple as well. Now let's take a look at this side. We have something like yellow and orange, so let's go to the saturation and decrease the orange so you can see that it's gone. Let me zoom in. So we have the yellow gone, so that's from 21. And let's see about the yellows. Let's just take it back a little, and let's go to the hue and make the hue of the orange look somewhere like the red, and I'm going to leave it, and it's okay for that, and it's going to update the image. Now we still have some of the colors that we don't want, so we'll go ahead and grab the hue and saturation, and pick on the slider, and I'm going to select that places. So just select here and increase the hue, and you can see that there's some of the greens and the rest part blue. So what we need to do is to take the slider up till those places are selected. So I'm going to take it up till we have that place selected. Let's take it backward a little like this. Okay, so this should be fine, and now we can take this backward. Now because we want to remove the color and make it look like the rest, we're going to decrease the saturation of those places and also change the hue of it. Take it backwards just a little bit, and now we have this. All right, so from before and after, let's do before and after. I'm going to group these two together to do our before and after. So we have before and after. You can see that all those leaks, they are gone, and we can create our mask and grab the normal brush tool, and we're going to paint with foreground color black and paint over to remove the color we don't want on the shirt, so like that. So let's make sure it's different from the rest. Okay, so we have that, and we can also remove it from the cloth and the eyes. Okay, so let's say this is what we want, and now we will do some other color grading by using the color balance. And now for the color balance, I would like to start with the highlight, and let's see. Under the highlight, I would like to give it a very warm feel by using the yellows and taking it forward, and it's going to give it a very warm yellow feel. And let's see before and after. Okay, so we can give it some of the cyan and go to the midtones. So you can go ahead and give it some blues on the midtones, and let's see, give it some cyan just a bit, and also the magenta. So let's take it towards the green, and where things get a little bit dramatic are the shadows to it. So let's take it towards the blues, sorry, let's take it towards the blues. And for the green and the magenta, let's see, I'm gonna take it towards the green and take it. Okay, I feel the green is okay, +3. And let's see, the magenta makes it a little bit darker, and this one, so the cyan is just the one that's good for it. So now we have before and then we have after. So this first color grade, and now we can grab the color lookup table, and we're going to load our lot, load 3D lot, and I'm going to navigate to where my lot is. So my lot is under the online, we have melanin, and then I'm going to use this melanin cube, and let's see, there we go with our brown black. So we have this, and let's create a stand visible layer. Go to Shift and E to create a stand visible layer, and let's turn everything else off. And let's see, from our frequency we have from here to here, from here to here. So that's how to color grade and get the natural black feel. And from here you can do your dodging and burning. So I'm going to quickly do that. For us to do that, let's just grab the curve and take it up like this, and double click to open up the blending option. This is the fast way to do it. So I'm going to bring this backwards, hold and Alt and separate, take this backward a little bit, and we can hit preview, and it's okay. So let's turn it off and on. So just give it a little bit of the highlight, and we have before and after. Okay, so I think that's okay. I'm going to remove it from the eyes. Let's remove it from the eyes. Grab the brush tool, select the mask, and make sure foreground color is black, and remove it from the brightest part of the image. So once again, I'm going to grab this tool and merge layers, so we have before and after for color grading. So thank you guys for watching. See you in our next tutorial.